concentrations of any other diseases, um, those patients should be concentrated more. Increasing environmental hazards like this biodegradation, environmental pollution, which will be caused due to this, all should be concentrated. Here, public health services, if you see, we are seeing the services of the first line, second line workers, and how they are being treated, are given vaccine for protection and other things. Then training, education and training, most of them have gone to online classes. And penalty provisions, if you see, it should be increased because it is very minimal. Even if you see the IPC provisions, the fines are very, very minimal under the offense against state for spreading the contagious diseases. If you seek, stringent action should be taken against violating the act, and medical institution to maintain registers and other things. And as to conclusion, I would say that Public Health Act, it has many weaker areas. It has to be identified and modified by situations, so that it is, as mentioned earlier, according to the needs. Maybe every 3 years, a person was mentioning, maybe if it is necessary, maybe every year, if the pandemic is differing or it is causing any other defects. Because this 6 points I would like to highlight. First is the public health responsibilities, where 6 points have been mentioned. First one is prevention of epidemic and spread of the disease, protection of people against environmental hazards, prevention of injuries, promotion and encouragement of healthy behavior changes, quick response to disaster, and to assist communities in recovery phase, and to assure quality, accessible, affordable, comprehensive healthcare services. Why we say this is, when you go for a private hospital for an ordinary test, when they take a COVID test, and it is 9,000 to 15,000 according to the rate of the hospitals in private, and even in the government hospital it is not free. It takes around 1,000 to 1,500, and for the vaccine it costs even more. So such condition would really not reach to many people, and it is not free also. So that needs to be registered. And as usual, this is what the government says now. With limited restriction, things would go on. So wash hands thoroughly, use soap, hand sanitizer, keep distance, stay at home if possible, or when you want to travel, see to it whether it is only you are traveling only during the necessary times. Use face masks. If you are not using face masks now, the government has clearly said that fines would be levied. Initially it may be very less, like 100 rupees, but later it would punishment would be increased and it will be made stringent. That is what the Pondicherry government has said, announced today, and the state of Tamil Nadu. Then avoid large crowds, even during times of marriages and during times of death. Do not meet infected persons or sick persons or have direct contact with them, and do not touch your face, mouth or eyes and nose, or do not touch your front part of the mask. So these are the instructions that is clearly followed last year, which is continuing even now. So with this, I would like to conclude. Thank you, sir.